Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a denim pleated skirt, like the iconic Y2K pleated skirt. I am super obsessed with these skirts. I first saw them on Faye from Euphoria and it looks so stunning. So I just decided let's just make one. So I'm just going to be taking an old pair of jeans and removing the belt loops out of it because we're going to be needing it for later. Then I'm just going to be cutting the jeans from the middle part so we have like a lot of fabric to work on. I'm just going to be doing this step so that we can see clearly how much fabric we actually have in this pair of jeans. So you can see there's so much fabric we can use to make a pleated skirt. Also, I have another video on how to make a pleated skirt. From this step onwards, it's just so simple. It's just that video. And it's actually a really simple skirt to make. So I'm just drawing out a few lines and like making rectangles so that we can easily make the pleats and just sew together the skirt. So I'm just making squares and rectangles. Here I've just pleated the skirt randomly without any measurements. Like I've just pleated that part and just gone according to what I wanted. It's actually really simple. You can follow my how to make a tennis skirt video. I'm just ironing it down and sewing the top 6 inches of the skirt to create this pleated kind of an effect. To be really honest with you guys, I didn't have a lot of fabric to work on, so my pleats are really thin and they do not give the same effect as the skirt Faye was wearing in Euphoria. But I am actually really pleased. It looks great in perfect lighting, but it's not the most perfect, so I would recommend having more fabric to work on. I'm just going to be adding a zipper on one side and just hemming the top part in for a really clean and perfect look. Here's the finished result. It's so pretty. Also, remember the belt loops we kept aside? We're going to be using them to create a really creative and a cute element, just sewing the belt loops back on in this orderly manner. I think it looks so cute, just like face skirt from Euphoria. This is the finished result. I am obsessed. Y'all can make an even better skirt than I did. I hope you guys like this video.